By Optimum Nutrition, I've been using their creatine for a little over a year now, and I absolutely love it. If you are doing meal replacements, if you're doing protein shakes, if you just want to add creatine to any of those things, even just your favorite, flavored beverage, you can do so. 1 teaspoon gives you 5 grams of creatine, and I'll just show you what it looks like right here. So there's that 1 teaspoon, just like that, and it just dissolves. I usually enjoy it in my morning coffee. You do not taste anything in coffee or even in protein shakes. It's absolutely really tasteless. And my favorite part, if you look at the ingredients, it is creatine monohydrate for a total of 5 grams, like I said, and other ingredients. That's my favorite part. None. There's nothing else added. So what you see is exactly what you get, and you can enjoy it in any sort of beverage.